This ball has changed the whole scenario of Indian sports industry. आज भी ये देश का नंबर 1 फुटबॉल है on any ground.
Calcutta for the Lionel Messi. Holds off 3-4 players. Great save.
देखिए 1934 में द फाउंडर ऑफ द कंपनी मिस्टर निहाल चंद खरबंदा पाकिस्तान में सियालकोट में एक ओबेरॉय एंड कंपनी करके है, वहाँ पे एज एन एम्प्लॉय काम करते थे. He thought about let's just to create a brand.
In 1947, after the partition, tons of sporting good manufacturers had to flee from Sialkot and found a new home here in Jalandhar.
Comes a new exodus. A million displaced persons. Independence has not yet brought them peace.
In 1960s के आसपास ही जो इनके बेटे थे, जो विजय खरबंदा, he just taken over और उसके बाद तो he just put his all effort to build this brand. फुटबॉल का जो मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, वो मार्केट पहले था कैलकाटा. But Vijay Kharbanda ji has recognized Jalandhar as a sports hub for the sports manufacturing.
Today, Jalandhar contributes almost 70% of all sporting goods that are manufactured in India. This is Nivea Sports, India's largest sports goods manufacturing company, where in this 200-meter radius, over 20,000 sporting products are produced every single day. In fact, every 2 seconds that you're watching this video, they are selling a new product. And today, we're going to take a closer look inside their factories, see how a sports shoe is made, and understand the unique technology that Nivea uses for their other products. So this is the ball that Messi played with in his first match as the Argentinian national team captain. And that just shows that the kind of history and glory that Nivea comes with. Right now, we are in the Nivea Museum checking out some of the most iconic memorabilia in sports history. This particular hockey stick was held by Major Dhyan Chand when he helped us win the 11th Olympics in Berlin.
India score.
This signed ball by the greatest footballer ever, Pele, on his visit to India in 2015.
Always I mention my family, to respect people.
For a person like me who loves cricket, this is everything. I think the MRF sticker says enough. It's the bat of none other than Mr. Sachin Tendulkar.
It just rocks back.
Nivea Sports is a brand that is even older than international legacy brands like Nike and Adidas, making it one of the oldest sports goods manufacturers in the entire world. To know more, we spoke to Kishore ji, someone who's been with Nivea Sports for 30 years.
ये सिल्वर जुबली कंप्लीट कर चुका है प्रोडक्ट. 25 साल और आज भी ये देश का नंबर 1 फुटबॉल है ऑन एनी ग्राउंड.
आपने ज्वाइन कब किया था? 1990?
मैं तो भूल भी गया, 30 साल हो गए यार, आप लगा लो अंदर.
94.
14 इयर्स मैंने सेल्स को दिए. उसके बाद जब मैंने ब्रांड प्रमोशन अपने हाथ में ली थी तो सोचा भी करना क्या है. वी हैव डिसाइडेड दैट वी डोंट नीड टू टॉक अबाउट द ब्रांड, वी नीड टू डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स. वी लव टू बिकम द स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी गेम और मे बी द एथलीट्स ऑल्सो. ऐसे कई प्रोडक्ट हैं, मैं आपको जस्ट थोड़ा सा आगे लेके चलता हूँ. इस बॉल से पहले इंडियन स्पोर्ट्स इंडस्ट्री में देयर वाज नो सिंथेटिक फुटबॉल्स. 1934 से लेकर 60s तक का जो बैच था उसमें लेदर बॉल्स विद द लेसेस ये चलते थे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ इश्यूज विद द लेदर बॉल्स. वेट बढ़ जाएगा, हार्ड हो जाएगा, प्रिंटिंग अच्छी नहीं आएगी. यू नीड एक्स्ट्रा स्टेमिना टू प्ले विद दिस बॉल. और यहाँ पर द फर्स्ट आइडिया केम फ्रॉम द माइंड ऑफ मिस्टर विजय खरबंदा फॉर द सिंथेटिक फुटबॉल्स. बट एक ट्रांजिशन जरूरी थी एक इंटरनेशनल सेगमेंट को लाने के लिए. तो उस टाइम पे अर्जेंटीना डिसाइडेड दैट दे विल कम इन इंडिया एंड दे विल प्ले one FIFA match, a friendly match with Venezuela and Nigeria also, and wherein Messi is also going to play.
It was his first.
It's the first captaincy, first turf ground, and the most important, first time they were playing with any other international ball, leaving Adidas behind. This ball's Nivea Symbolo in 2011 has changed the whole scenario of Indian sports industry.
For a brand that has been successful for so many years now, we got a chance to speak to Dhruv Kharbanda, who's the great grandson of Nihal Chand Kharbanda, the founder of Nivea Sports.
Pleasure to meet you, Amtanak. Pleasure to meet you too. I'm Dhruv. Nice to meet you. So you're at a corporate headquarters right now.
Yeah.
This is the primary center for footballs and then football-related accessories, so shin guards, bags, and then our shoe factory right there. It's a consolidated unit for footwear.
Okay.
And then there's one building right here, so it's a new form of football manufacturing called thermobond manufacturing.
Can you tell us a bit more about the design process and what goes on in that?
Yeah, definitely. So we have our design team, shoe design team that sits here. This is the shoe we released recently, Safari.
Safari is one of the newest shoes in Nivea Sports' product line.
There's two aspects to the design. One is, of course, the sole plate, right?
Okay.
So the sole plate, and then there's the upper. You can see like the upper design, and then the sole plate design, and then the final shoe, which looks like.
Okay.
They are sent over to our shoe manufacturing units for commercialization.
Yeah.
So I would say from design inception all the way to production and the shoe coming out from the production line, I would put the whole process between like 4 to 5 months or 4. And this sole plate, I don't think any Indian brand is doing right now.
I doubt.
This is something which like you would see like with Adidas, Nike, Puma.
India's sports equipment manufacturing takes place primarily in 7 states. Out of those 7, nearly 80% of the manufacturing happens in only 2 cities. Meerut, which is in UP, and Jalandhar, which is in Punjab. Nivea's production facility is right in the middle of Jalandhar, where in this 200-meter radius, over 20,000 sporting products are produced every single day. But I'm as clueless about the process as you would be. So let's go inside and meet some of the experts who take care of this on an everyday basis.
कैसे हो आशीष जी?
बढ़िया बढ़िया मैम, पूरा फुटवेयर सोर्सिंग मटेरियल एंड प्रोडक्शन को मैं हैंडल करता हूँ यहाँ।
तो आप बस हमें एक वॉक थ्रू दे सकते हैं यहाँ का?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आइए।
Basically, Nivea manufactures its shoes in 3 parts: the upper, the insole, and the sole. We're first going to look at the upper with Ashish ji. To make the upper part of the shoe, we need a specific type of material like polyurethane or PU and other fabrics and meshes. PU is a water-resistant material that makes the shoe all-weather then. They use a template to cut the material into the shape they want.
जो कट के कंपोनेंट आए हैं उनको एक एक करके लगाया जा रहा है।
हाँ।
फिर उस पे वो वर्कर्स आएंगे और एक एक करके प्रिंट मारेंगे। इसमें 2 लेयर प्रिंटिंग हो रही है।
The shape is printed with ink using screen printing. Screen printing is the process where ink is forced through a mesh screen onto the surface of the piece that is cut.
यहाँ पे कम से कम एक टेबल पे क्या 200 जूते तो लग ही जाएंगे?
हाँ जी आराम से। कटिंग के बाद जो अगला प्रिपरेशन जिसमें मैश को टीपीयू से फ्यूजन करेंगे। जो हमारी टीपीयू फिल्म होती है ये प्लेन होती है। ऐसे प्लेन फिल्म को हम ऐसे 3D लुक दिया जाता है जिससे बॉल कंट्रोल मिले फुटबॉलर को। और ये हमारा सफारी आर्टिकल है। इसमें हमने आपने नीचे देखा होगा प्रिंट हो रहा था। करेक्ट। तो इसको हमने यहाँ आके इम्बॉस कर दिया है पूरे पल्ले को, जो हमारी बॉल कंट्रोलिंग वगैरह के लिए हेल्प करेगा।
And then the 2 sides of the back of the shoe are brought together. While in most shoes, these 2 parts are stitched together. Nivea fuses them together to reduce the bulkiness of the shoe. They do this using a special machine.
After that, we've got a layer called the taffeta or the front cushioning, which is basically somewhere over here. That when you slide your feet in, it's meant to be nothing but comfort. The same is being stitched over here. Then we've got a couple more layers of stitching to make sure that every single strand of this shoe is meant to withstand the extreme pressures that we as Indians cater to. So with that, ladies and gentlemen, the heart of your shoe is ready, and all that's left is the sole.
There is a mold which has the body of the shoe. He's putting it onto the machine so that the entire body encloses from below. It takes about, I think, a second or 2 to kind of compress the whole thing from below. And he's sticking it onto the backside. And it's pretty warm actually because of the latex and the machine compressing it down. From now, if you see all the machines, they're going to put the sole and the body together. They're going to put it through the machine.
इसको चैम्बर्स में से फर्स्ट चैम्बर में एडेसिव लगाएंगे, सेकंड चैम्बर में एडेसिव लगाएंगे, फिर थर्ड चैम्बर में एडेसिव लगाते हुए फुल बॉन्डिंग की तरफ ले जाएंगे। एडेसिव लगने के बाद इनको हीट चैम्बर से निकाल के प्रेशर के साथ इसको प्रेस पैड पे दबा के इसको उसके साथ बॉन्ड बना दे रहे हैं। 25 से 30 kg का प्रेशर होता है, उसमें इसको दबाया जाता है। फिर हम चिलर में निकालते हैं।
मुझे एक चीज बताइए, हीटिंग में टेम्परेचर क्या होता है और चिलिंग में टेम्परेचर क्या होता है?
हीटिंग में 55 to 60 डिग्री होता है और चिलर में -40 तक हमें अपर में चाहिए होता है।
-40?
हाँ जी।
और वो कितने सेकंड के लिए होता है?
ये हमें 5 से 6 मिनट के लिए शूज अंदर है।
6 मिनट। After this, the whole packing section of the shoe begins. And your Nivea sports shoe is ready.
So now we know how Nivea makes their safari shoes. But what does the future of a 100-year-old business look like?
By the end of this year or early next year, we would have our full football and badminton ranges completely refreshed. It would be a completely, I would say, a new look Nivea when it comes to footwear. Therefore, the next couple of years, that Nivea's future and Nivea's sort of becoming a much more modern, exciting, fresh brand for the Indian sports market, I think footwear is where the focus should lie.
From every single person who's basically helped in building the foundation of a 600 crore company, what would you say are the 3 biggest things that you have learned from them?
Well, the major thing I learned from them is that people in this organization are risk takers. They're not stupid risk takers. They're calculated, rational risk takers. The second, there is always that drive to sort of innovate and be the best. And I think third is being India focused is a priority for us, and that's also contributed a lot to our success.
Over the years, Nivea Sports has been the preferred choice for many sports enthusiasts, all thanks to their dedication towards constantly innovating and evolving.
सपोज जैसे भी हमने उस बॉल के बारे में बात किया कि वो 25 ईयर्स से नंबर 1 चॉइस है, तो क्या जरूरत है नए बॉल्स बनाने की अगर लोग उसी से खुश हैं। अगर आपने एक मास्टर प्रोडक्ट बनाया तो लोग उसको लेके चलते रहते हैं।
बिल्कुल।
बट फॉर निविया, वन डे ईच एंड एवरी किड इज गोइंग टू प्ले नेशनल्स. Each and every kid would get a chance to play international tournament.
Right.
अगर ये सोच है तो we need to bring some new technologies, new concepts. Otherwise, what will happen? They will practice with the older kind of versions, and suddenly they are getting some new technologies. That's why each and every day, every week, every second, this Nivea is keep on thinking about something new. So for the developments, जिस तरीके से ये इंडस्ट्री ग्रो हुई है, जो टेक्नोलॉजीज ने अपने आप में काम किया, आई थिंक निविया का उसमें बहुत बड़ा रोल रहा है हर लेवल पे.